What do we got going on?
Well, tour day, baby. Just toured Stephanie's beautiful listing.
Okay.
Yeah, we haven't made it very far. We're eating our snacks.
I see that. And we're ready for the chili cook-off later?
Oh, so ready.
I'll see y'all back down at the office.
Yeah, ready for mine to win. Sorry.
Who's that in there?
It's me! Hey!
Pre-chili cook-off interview. Did you make any chili this year?
I did not. It's my first year, and this year I was like, I'm not doing it.
Oh.
I'm not doing it.
Okay.
But I'm going to do it next year.
Jess, did you make any chili? No?
I didn't.
Did Ryan make any chili?
I thought about it, but maybe next year.
I want Ryan to make some.
He
He's
should.
He's like the critic. And he doesn't ever bring any chili.
That's right. You should.
And he just tastes it all and says,
She said, I remember. What's going on in here? What's happening?
A couple winners hanging out at the farm.
Oh, you got chili?
Yeah.
You didn't make none? Did you make some? Oh, you made some chili? Yeah. Let's go take a look at a little. Oh, we got a few things. Let me go put my stuff down. What's happening?
It's time. Better hurry up. This isn't gonna be a good shot for me.
Crock pots are different. Ooh.
Anybody to see with her.
it just is not hot because I didn't have a crock pot this year.
Oh,
But
you did?
I will reveal.
Oh, she's trying to hide everything.
It was to keep it wraps.
Ooh, you think that's the winner?
That's definitely the winner.
Hey, we might have to start a cornbread contest. We got 2 different cornbreads.
She's not allowed in here.
Jalapeno cheddar biscuits.
Is this your first chili cook-off or your second chili cook-off?
You had the babies last year.
A what?
You had the little one last year. Oh, did you
For the
make
chili
Benny
cook-off?
last year? Yeah, you brought Bennett.
Oh, so it's my second. I'm a seasoned vet.
Look, they all laughed. Hey, I'm with you, man. I'm with you.
I'm the vet that doesn't contribute. I just
I mean, look at all of us sitting here. We're just waiting for our chili bowls.
So if you need to take your Lactaid, I'm not looking at anyone.
Wow.
Oh, I see. See, smell. Okay, so
Yeah, you have to be actively like. How are we keeping score here? Are people cheating?
People cheating, is that what you said?
Yeah, people cheating.
I'm gonna cheat.
What?
Yeah.
I love this. This is the best day. Wait, you did more than one, Kylie? In the same bowl?
Yeah.
Natasha is upset with you. Then you switched it up
You gotta
and
do
you
it
mix it
one
up,
time.
and that's just not okay.
She put 2 chilies in it.
Yeah. She's disqualified. Her card. You gotta make sure we know what card it is.
hey, come on, bro. It's a secret ballot.
What are your expectations from the chili cook-off this year?
Chili.
Hey, why'd you say spell to get loud?
Because Ryan's gonna come in.
Ryan actually is good.
He
Right?
has chili opinions.
Ryan's
Nick.
coming?
Let's go. Let's go. Where's the chili at?
There's my
Yes,
card.
I am. Up, I got the Excel sheet.
So what's the instant reaction? We need instant reactions.
That's some competition. I highly underestimated everybody else.
What's your take, Nick? Instant reaction.
Instant reaction. I mean, it's really great. I came from the chiropractor and I told them, they go, "Are you going home after this to ice?" I go, "No, I'm going to a chili cook-off." They're like, "Okay."
What's your initial take
On what?
on the chili cook-off this year?
You got snot in your nose. No, it was good, man. This is the best chili cook-off we've had. I mean, I've won 2 out of the 3, so.
Oh wow!
You know,
Well,
we'll see how this goes.
I heard that you didn't win 2 out of 3. I heard that Shelly would beg to differ. Actually,
She won the first one, and then I tied with Mello one year. We both joint won, and then last year I won outright. This year I don't think I will, though. There's some good-ass chilies this year.
yeah, there's
so.
some good ones, man.
We're in agreement. Best chili cook-off ever. Hey, we do have a prize for the victor. I would like. Can you? By 1 point. 1 point.
Oh no!
Who is the 2023 chili cook-off champion?
Chili number 4.
It's a little Windermere swag. So we're still.
thank you to Shelly.
That is a great tradition. Dave literally is having the best work day of his life.
It is. It's great. I have multiple 15s. So how do you feel right now, like being the champion?
I feel
We need
accomplished.
a belt or something.
Yeah, I can, just stop being a realtor and just
Oh, yeah.
go to
Go to
chili
Chili
cook-offs.
Cook-Off. All right.